नमस्ते फ्रेंड्स। तो आइए, आपका स्वागत है इन द पॉडकास्ट 3। थैंक यू फॉर योर गुड रिस्पॉन्स टू द वेरियस पॉडकास्ट फर्स्ट एंड टू, एंड in this podcast, which is talking about travel responsibly, we will be discussing about various countries. And today's discussion is all about Mexico. And the guest who has joined us in this podcast is Dr. Ranjita Tripathi. Dr. Ranjita Tripathi, is an accomplished hospitality academician, chef, researcher, and trainer with over 25 years of experience. Incredible. That's really incredible, ma'am. And she's into hospitality and higher education, currently serving as the program leader and assistant professor with Amity University in Lucknow campus. Your expertise spans into culinary arts, food production, menu planning, hospitality management, tourism, and hospitality education. Dr. Tripathi has organized numerous food festivals, received several awards for her contribution to the culinary field, published research papers in reputed journals, and holds multiple patents. Incredible. She is actively involved in academic leadership, research, industry collaborations, student mentoring, and community engagement initiatives, contributing significantly to hospitality and tourism education. We are glad to have you, ma'am, in this podcast tree. And it's over to you. I would like you to tell us about yourself and your home country.
Thank you so very much for inviting me to this podcast.
Thank you.
And as you have already said, you have covered almost everything about me. Though I would like to repeat once again, I'm Dr. Ranjita Tripathi. Actually,
Mhm.
when we are from this industry, we really have to work i- in the kitchen to be called as a chef. Chef is a
Right.
title which just cannot be given. So basically, I belong to India, northern part of India.
Okay.
So currently residing in Lucknow. So that is all about me. Rest you all have covered.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, my next question is what inspired you to travel? As you told me that you have traveled multiple countries, and in this podcast, we will be talking about Mexico. So, what inspired you to travel abroad, and which are the countries you have visited?
Basically, since childhood only, I always thought that I must travel, I must explore the world. I've traveled the India, and it was like from childhood only when our parents were always taking us to different destinations. वेकेशन आ गया तो अब यहाँ जाना है वहां
Hmm.
जाना है सो इट वाज ऑल लाइक दिस सो आई थॉट ओके अगर कभी भगवान ने मौका दिया तो आई शुड ट्रेवल एंड देन आई वाज लकी इनफ टू स्टार्ट working with cruises and then when I worked with cruises I traveled almost all the country of the world except Asia.
Wow.
So US, Mexico, Peru, Brazil, Germany, England, Scotland, Ireland, and many more. So this was, I have been lucky enough to travel the world, so and learn the international experiences.
So, it shows that you have learned a lot with your vast travel experiences, which you have shared. I mean, the countries which you have traveled. So, ma'am,
Yes,
as we will be, yeah, please continue.
but many more to cover yet.
That is should be. I think there will be many countries in your bucket list. Yes. So, as we will be talking about Mexico, which we have decided for this podcast, so I would like you to tell us about Mexico and the cultural differences you saw there.
It's a beautiful place which is, made with small, small islands and majorly islands. What I have seen almost all. I would not say that there definitely must be some places which I must have missed, but places like Cozumel, Puerto Vallarta, Cancun, Cabo San Lucas, Chichen Itza, Ensenada, Mexico City, Coba, they all these beautiful places, basically enriched with beaches. And if you see Mexico, you will find that people look like us, exactly look like us. I mean, there is no difference until they start speaking. The language is so sweet. You would love to learn the
Mm.
language. Actually, I have learned a lot of Spanish, and it is very easy to learn. And uh, how they greet, how they welcome, such a sweet country, sweet people. बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब आप मेक्सिको में जाएंगे, बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है. तो मेरा
Okay.
तो एक ये रिक्वेस्ट रहेगा सबसे, एनी टाइम यू आर प्लानिंग अ वेकेशन, एटलीस्ट मेक्सिको, प्लीज पुट मेक्सिको इन योर लिस्ट.
Okay. So the Mesoamerican culture which they have, and you said Spanish language, it's a good point, which all my guests are saying that whenever you visit any country, see the language, at least learn the dialect so that at least you are able to interact with the local people there. And you said the
Yes.
place is beautiful, people are good. So my next question to you is, any customs when you visited there you learned and accidentally you made some mistake which people have pointed that this is not the custom we follow or culturally it's incorrect?
Actually, what happens, when we go locally, we are known across the world. Then greetings are done like this. People are making efforts to say namaste,
Namaste.
even if they're not very clear saying it, but they still, this is what my experience being 11 years out of our own country. Whichever country I've been to, I was always greeted namaste. So when they are meeting you or we are meeting them, हमें एटलीस्ट उनसे ये कहना चाहिए, ¿qué pasa, señorita? And when they are speaking, um, एक और बहुत स्पेशल वर्ड है, व्हाट दे से, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo
Okay.
estás? तो कहता है, ¿cómo
Mustas.
estás? तो
Mm-hmm.
अगर हम सिर्फ उनसे इतना ही कहते हैं ना, सो दे विल टेक यू
Yes.
विद देम. So, at least हमें before reaching to their destination, we should learn at least their etiquettes, their language a little bit, a few words of greetings and all, and a little social norms, which includes, हम कहीं पे भी जाते हैं, सोशल नॉर्म्स तो हमें फॉलो ही करने पड़ते हैं. हम ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं कर सकते हैं कि मतलब हम अब सिर्फ वी आर लॉस्ट इन आवर ओन सेल्फ.
Right.
And
Right.
once it had happened that, I was supposed to reach in a function. I was invited by local people. And then,
Mm.
they are always on time. ऐसा नहीं होता कि people are reaching late. So, it is
Acha.
accepted. You are
Mm-hmm.
invited on a time, then you have to reach on a time. So it was a function, a sort of wedding function, daytime it was happening. I was very curious to see actually. So I had many friends, तो उन्होंने invite किया था, तो बहुत I apologized कि भाई late हो गई हूँ मैं. And this was the only thing which, they are very punctual of time.
Okay, so they are very punctual. That's the point you have said. And it is
Yes,
one of the top listed countries which is mostly visited by tourists in the tourism list. And there are many
very true.
things which has they also have been affected because of over tourism or tourist
True.
behaviors. So I just want
Very
to
true.
ask you, ma'am, that according to you, what does responsible tourism mean? And in terms of this, how a tourist can the when you went there, any examples of respectful tourists you have seen?
Many people, see, there are every kind of people across the world. So I've seen many people respecting the local culture. Simultaneously, many people disrespecting the local culture,
Okay.
pretending that their culture is better than. I must say always one thing, protect the environment. Very, very important.
Yeah.
People go to the beaches, people go to the city, they're just littering the garbage, throwing everything in.
Yes.
So, this is our first responsibility, not only saving the human life, but how about the sea life? How
Right.
about the many creatures which are not
Right.
visible to our eyes, but they're also
Yes.
existing in the environment? So everybody have everybody should have rather safe environment to live, to exist, to, so first and foremost, very important thing is the local community. We must
Right.
support the local community by either we can stay in their small inns what they have made.
Mm.
बहुत सुंदर उनका एकोमोडेशन स्टेटस रहता है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स जो उनका छोटा छोटा क्राफ्ट्स मिलता है ना, एंड
Mm-hmm.
आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी क्राफ्ट्स आई हैव ऑफ मेक्सिको इन माय हाउस.
Oh,
सो ऐसा छोटा छोटा क्राफ्ट्स एंड ऑल वी कैन बाय एंड देन वी कैन हेल्प देम
help them.
in many
Yes.
different ways. Yes.
Very nice, ma'am. You have said like the environment, respecting the environment, respecting the local people is very important from when we say that we are responsibly traveling anywhere. So the other thing, like, have you witnessed any irresponsible behavior when with the travelers
Oh,
there?
many, many. Since it's Mexico, it is majorly known for its beer also, which is
Hmm.
Corona. है
Hmm.
ना? सो एक सांबो का ड्रिंक और आता है, दो इट इज इटालियन बट इट इज कंज्यूम्ड मेजरली. तो वहां पे
Okay.
लोग ऐसे बीचेस के पास जाते हैं, एंड देन व्हेन पीपल आर ओवर ड्रंक टकीला, they take a
Hmm.
shot of tequila and then they are gone. They are
Okay.
gone, senses are gone. So people become very, very irresponsible in those contexts.
Okay.
Whereas you gone for pleasure, have pleasure and let the other people also live accordingly. So people become very irresponsible when they lose their senses. So मेरे हिसाब से everything should be in control,
Hmm.
और responsibility तो automatically आ ही जाएगी जब आप अपने senses में हैं.
Right. So this would have affected the local people also when tourists behave irresponsibly. So as you have
Yes,
already
yes.
said one point that buy the handicrafts from them, talk in their languages. What else you as an academician you would like to advise to people wherever they go, how they can contribute to the local people?
uh Local people, we can do a small researches based on like our own uh, uh, thought process. There must have been many things which I must have missed. So
Hmm.
सबका अलग अलग पर्सपेक्टिव रहता है कि कोई मॉन्यूमेंट्स देखने जा रहा है, कोई मॉन्यूमेंट्स प्रोटेक्ट करने जा रहा है. जैसे एक जगह है चिचन इट्जा, वहां पे पिरामिड्स हैं, बेसिकली वेरी 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 ओल्ड पिरामिड्स. बट आई हैव ऑल्सो नोटिस कि उनकी अपकीपिंग बहुत अच्छी नहीं थी.
Okay.
I am also talking about like 6, 7 years back, or maybe a little more than that. So, keeping of all these things, or local people must respect. Every country has different destination, different types of monuments. So it should not be compared. Now, where you have gone, we must enjoy the destination there. So
Right.
हाँ, वी शुड ऑल्सो कीप इन आवर माइंड कि लोकल कल्चर को हमें रेस्पेक्ट करना है. रेस्पेक्ट ऑफ एल्डरली. मेक्सिको में
Yes.
you will find people are dressing up like us. I will not say that they are wearing sari, but they are wearing skirt, they are wearing top, same like us. You will not find much cultural
Okay.
difference.
Okay.
You will not find. हाँ, बहुत अच्छा लगता है मेक्सिको में.
So you mean to say visiting monuments, the heritage. So we should try to participate in conserving the heritage and keeping
Yes,
it as it is as a traveler,
yes,
because many has a
yes.
tendency of destroying it. Very well said, ma'am. So,
बहुत सारे लोगों को तो ऐसा लगता है आई शुड टेक अ स्मॉल पीस एंड कीप इट एज अ
hmm,
टोकन ऑफ, क्या बोलो, कि
souvenir
मतलब
जैसे
हम
ले
वहां से
जाओ
लेके
घर
आए.
पे. So
हाँ,
they feel
हाँ.
that they have paid,
सुवेनियर
so why
मतलब
not?
बाय करना चाहिए.
Correct, correct. That's an important point which you have pointed. Keep the things as it is where you go. Just carry
Yes.
the what to say positive memories rather than of creating
Hmm.
negative scenes there. Very well said,
Yes.
ma'am. Now, when we talk about the next section of our podcast, is social media is influencing a lot for people to
बहुत.
travel abroad,
Too
and there are a
much.
lot of
Hmm.
influencers. But when they
Hmm.
create these stories, their reels, they forget the aspect of telling us how to behave
Hmm.
there, what are the rules, protocols. So, according to
Hmm.
you, how these social media influencing can happen, what they should do to promote better tourist behavior and tourism?
Social media influencer basically must, I mean, what is my personal perspective is, I do not know how many social media influencers have really visited the place and then they are
Hmm.
portraying it.
Okay.
First thing, many
Hmm.
must have I mean, in present scenario, it is very easy to do anything with AI,
Hmm.
and AI will make you as if you have been really there. So social media ka influence is very good, but simultaneously I would also say that speak to people who have genuinely been to that place.
Right.
नॉट ओनली रिलाइंग ऑन सोशल मीडिया. बहुत अच्छा काम करता है सोशल मीडिया, साइमल्टेनियसली बहुत बुरा काम भी करता है. सो इट इज
Hmm.
बेसिकली बोथ द वेज. सो उनको इतना ट्रू होना चाहिए किसी भी रिव्यू को पोर्ट्रे करने के लिए, नॉट टू नेम एनी बडी, बट देर आर मैनी मैनी पीपल हु वुड पोर्ट्रे, हु विल बिल्ड अ प्लेस और हु विल डिस्ट्रॉय अ प्लेस. सो सोशल मीडिया इन्फ्लुएंसर के लिए बेसिक मैसेज यही है If you have not been to the place, not to list in your uh,
Videos, yes. Hmm.
yes, हाँ, तो
Very
बस
well.
इतना सा ही
Yeah,
है
yeah.
सोशल मीडिया
हाँ.
इन्फ्लुएंस के लिए.
But say that's true that many people just pretend and then they put anything which from here and there and which pass on the wrong message as well.
Yes,
So
yes, yes. It must not happen. I mean, people even portraying the wrong messages about the local people.
correct.
आपने उनको
Hmm.
देखा भी नहीं है, आप उनसे मिले भी नहीं है, और आप उनके लिए कुछ भी कह रहे हैं.
Hmm.
सो अगर हमने उन्हें देखा नहीं है तो हम उनके लिए सिर्फ अच्छा बोलेंगे.
Right.
अगर हम उनसे मिल चुके हैं फिर हम रियलिटी बोलेंगे.
So, ma'am, the last section, what advice you would like to give to the first time international travelers? And regardless of where they are visiting, one thing every tourist should do.
Respect the culture, respect the local people, learn the tradition, respect the tradition, and of course, environment uh, should be kept safe everywhere we travel across the world.
Yes, well said, ma'am. So, with this, the takeaway is wherever you go, respect the culture, learn the
Mhm.
culture, try to understand where you are going, what you are doing, and be responsible. So, thank you so much, Dr. Ranjita. It was glad talking to you, and we will be in touch. So, bye bye from our side to all the viewers who are watching. Please do share and subscribe. Thank you.